manually on the application, inside of a frame. To exit this web area, press Ctrl, Option, Shift, up arrow. Does flipping a coin a few hundred times result in a 50/50 split? My daughter received a game in her magazine which was played by flipping the coin to move across a game board from start to finish. Flipping heads was worth 1 space forward and tails was worth 2, along with some bonus spaces. We played 20 games to test whether or not our results would end up close to the 50/50 probability of flipping a coin. The result, as you can see, is pretty close to this. Summary results across the 20 games including games 1, percentage of heads being flipped versus tails, and the detailed whisker plots of every flip. Total games 1, group, heading level 2, total games 1. Total games 1, image. Press ESC to clear. End of total games 1, % of heads versus tails, group. Heading level 2, % of heads versus tails, % of heads versus tails, image. End of % of heads versus tails, group. Whisker plot, shows streaks of flipping heads or tails repeatedly, group. Heading level 2, whisker plot, shows streaks of flipping heads or tails repeatedly. Whisker plot, shows streaks of flipping heads or tails repeatedly, image. End of whisker plot, shows streaks of flipping heads or tails repeatedly, group. Data visualization, group. Data visualization, image. End of data visualization, group. Data visualization, group. Data visualization, image. End of data visualization, group. This small multiple set of line charts depicts how we progressed on the game board for each of the 20 games we played. First person to 20 spaces won each game. Group. Heading level 2. This small multiple set of line charts depicts how we progressed on the game board for each of the 20 games we played. First person to 20 spaces. End of this small multiple set of line charts. Data manually tracked during gameplay. Viz by Ed Demarsk. You are currently